In this video, I'm going to run through how to set up Visual Studio Code. So when you install Visual Studio Code off case, you'll end up with the interface here. Now I need to open a folder, so I've created a folder on my computer to store all my code. So I'm just going to navigate there, and then I will select that folder, and that will open up that folder on this sidebar over here. Now currently there is nothing in that, and that's fine. Now to run the programs the way that I will run them, I need to add an extension. So I need to go down here to extensions, and what I need to find is LiveServer. So when you click on this, it will open up over here, and you want to click install. And this will add an add-in to Visual Studio Code that is very useful for us. Okay, so now that is installed, I'll go back to my code. And then I can easily create a file, so I'll go Control-N, and I will save that file, and I'm just going to call that index.html to start with. And now that file is loaded. Now, if I want to actually view the contents of this file, I can run that LiveServer extension. Now generally when you restart, it will have a Go Live button down here. Alternatively, you can hit Alt-L, Alt-O in succession, and then it will boot up the server down here. And it will open your browser, and it will have this address here. Now I'm just going to go Windows left, and then I'll have my code on one side and my browser on the other. So just to show you what this does, if I just type something here like hello world, and I save it, I can then refresh over here. Now if I set this up as, say, a HTML file, and then I run and refresh, I should now be able to type things, and they will automatically refresh over here. Because what's happening in the background is that it will have inserted all this information into our document. Now the reason that is there is so that when we automatically save as a HTML file, it will automatically reload. So this would be really useful for us when we do our testing and programming. So that's just how we go and set up Visual Studio Code, add the extensions that we want to add, and so we can do our programming the way we want it to work.